So there's a lot of people who are just really pissed off that Honda discontinued their push mowers. Are they bringing back this mower? The best mower that Honda has ever made? I heard through the grapevine that they had made a decision that so many people were complaining. They want this mower, they want the power mower, they want the gas mower. Is it true? All right, guys, I got great news. Honda lawnmowers, everyone loves them, #1 in the industry. They are coming back out with a Honda lawnmower for your yard, for your mowing pleasure. But I got a problem. It's not the Honda mower that you're used to. What it is now an electric mower. They've discontinued all the gas mowers, and they were teasing that they were going to come out with the gas mower again because the EPA is lightening up because of the new administration. But they're not. They're coming out with a lithium-ion battery pack that's going to be in their Honda mower, and it's going to run around $1,600. It looks almost exactly like this Echo right here, which isn't a bad mower. But again, I'm a gas guy. I'm not a lithium-ion battery guy. Those batteries over time will fail you because as they get cold in the winter, the moisture, okay, from getting cold to warmer, it affects the battery where they catch on fire. Statistics tell us that the batteries that go in these mowers over time, so there's someone out there saying, well, I've had my electric mower for 3 years. I got the Milwaukee. I paid $1,100 for it. It's a great mower. I'm grateful that you like your mower, but watch this. The statistics don't lie. Over time, as it's stored in the winter and it gets cold, and then it gets warmer and it gets cold and warmer, what you're gonna have is condensation, what you're gonna have is water, what you're gonna have is a fire. I'm more confident and I feel more secure getting a gas mower, which is proven. Friends, I'm telling you, eventually, when you have to replace the battery, if it doesn't catch on fire, they're $300, $400, $500 for an additional battery. And if you, pre-order right now, guess what? They're going to throw in a free battery for you. But guess what? That mower is $1,600, $1,700. It's coming out in November. They've already announced it, okay? It was supposed to come out this month, but they said, hey, we're having some problems with the mower. Yeah, you are. Friend, when you love a mower as much as me, you don't want someone coming behind you, hitting you on the head and taking your mower. That's why I always lock the mower to my arm as I'm pushing it. No one's gonna hit me in the back of the head and take my mower. You take my mower, you're taking me! Matt, there's good news. There is good news, okay? They're keeping the Next Light deck. They're keeping the same wheels. They're keeping those blades in it, that dual blade technology. And so really all they're doing is taking this off and putting that piece of crap battery engine conglomeration on it. I'm not sold. I'm just not sold. Also, the blade that I found that's better than the OEM Honda blade, I absolutely love it. It's a 21-inch blade, and it's thicker, it's better tempered metal, and it just cuts the grass like butter. And right now I'm about to cut the grass, but I wanted to get back to you that, hey, you're not going to be able to get these. As these are becoming so popular and they're not replacing them with a new version, friends, you got to lock them up, even if they're in your garage. I use a handcuff lock. Look at this. This is the best lock that I found. This thing is so heavy duty. This is a huge chain. You can put your anniversary date, your birth date, or your favorite numbers in there. You set it, you move this, and guess what? It's like a pair of handcuffs. They're coated so they're not scratching. And what if you are mowing grass and you have to blow the yard, or you're trimming the yard and your mower's there? Friends, look at, wrap this around a freaking tree, wrap this around a pole. Keep this safe because you're not going to be able to replace it. If you are ever deciding to get a Honda, now is the time. I went to Home Depot online and they had a version of this good engine, the 200cc engine, okay? HRX 217, all dialed up. I think it was $699. There was $100 off of that. They have coupons, but once they're gone, they are gone. I'll leave everything in the description box below if you want those blades that I'm talking about, or you want to look at this lock. And again, look at this freaking lock, man. That is so freaking tough. I absolutely love this lock. But guys, I just want to let you know, I don't want someone stealing my baby. I love you. It's not your fault that Honda's so stupid and decided to make an electric mower. It has nothing to do with you. They were smoking crack cocaine, the cheap stuff, not the good stuff that they give in Hollywood. They were just ghettoing it. They're East Siders. They're I love you. Don't you take offense. I'll put you in therapy. You and I can both sit on the couch and discuss our feelings, and I'll never let anyone take you. I love you so much. I'll lock you up. Do you want to sleep over tonight? Okay.